In this presentation with the Resonance Pro, we'll be learning about the different balancing options. We have three different balancing options. We have a submenu option and then a navigation tab as well. So here we're looking at the system overview page, which is the main page where straight after the voice analysis, we can review our findings of the energetic disturbances that our client is presenting us with. Once we've identified the disturbances, we want to go ahead and balance the client. We want to play the corrective balancing tones to help get the body back into balance. We have three different trays. We have a quick balance tray, which is on the bottom. We have your daily balance tray, which is on your top. You use that on a kind of daily basis. And then we have a main hold tray, which is down on the bottom. And that main hold tray we sort of use towards the end of the session where we've gone through all of the different programs and all the different panels, and we bring all of these items together to form one kind of global conceptual idea about the client's current state of health, and then we balance all of those together. Quick option is the plus sign next to the balance options. You click on that, you can automatically add all of the high items or the red items or the yellow items or the blue items with a simple tap of a button that will automatically add them into the respective tray. Once they're added into the tray, you go ahead, you select your timer for balancing.